Hi, my name is Dani Lerner, and this is my 351 project. So as you see here, I made a radar system for a ski helmet. For all you skiers out there, you know that oftentimes you'll have people coming up from behind you and you don't see them, and oftentimes that leads into a crash. So I thought that this would be a really good prototype for a actual radar system that is going to scan 180 degrees behind you and try to see if there's someone there. So let's go through it. So if you see over here, there's an ultrasonic sensor that's on a sweeping servo. It goes all 180 degrees and it senses for objects behind it. Then over here we have a little pointer servo that actually points to the location that the person is. So if you see over here, it keeps on changing directions because that's where it's sensing some object behind it. In addition to that, it moves 2 times. It moves whenever it first sees an object to warn you as soon as possible, but it also moves a second time as soon as it sees that past a single object, and it'll actually take the average of the initial angle and the end angle, and it will find the approximate center of the object and point to it. Also, if you see over here, there's an LED that lights up when it's currently reading the position. One more feature I want to show you. Mounted on the front of the helmet is an accelerometer, and this accelerometer measures when you're moving your head, which means that you are about to turn. So when you are about to turn and there is someone in that location, then this will be able to play a noise. Right, and if it's no one's in sight, then no noise is played. This helmet has built-in speakers to it, so you can actually plug it into the helmet through this auxiliary port, and it'll actually play the sound right in your ears. As you see over here, this is my processing. It sweeps back and forth with the servo at the same location. It says the distance of the object in the top left corner, as well as if we start to move the object back, the little skier gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and the sweeper gets more and more green as opposed to red when the object is extremely close. So if you see over here, the object's pretty close, so it's some color in between, but as we'll wait for it to come back. As we move it further, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller and tells you the new distance. That's my project. Thank you.